We are covering disqualifying convictions for the Arizona Notary Public Exam. Understanding these rules is critical, as the Secretary of State will conduct a criminal background check on every applicant. According to Arizona revised statutes, a felony conviction is a significant barrier. An applicant with a felony conviction cannot be commissioned unless their civil rights have been fully restored. This is a major point the exam will test. For instance, an exam question might state an applicant had their civil rights restored but is currently on parole. They would still be disqualified. Full restoration of rights and freedom from any form of incarceration, probation, or parole are mandatory. Misdemeanor convictions are handled differently. The Secretary of State evaluates these on a case-by-case basis, specifically looking for lesser offenses that involve moral turpitude or are incompatible with the duties of a notary. A crime of moral turpitude generally involves dishonesty or fraud, so a misdemeanor for petty theft is more likely to be disqualifying than a simple traffic violation. Another absolute disqualifier is a prior commission revocation. If an applicant has had a notary commission revoked in Arizona or any other state, they may be denied. A common exam trap is to confuse the restoration of civil rights with the completion of parole. Remember, both conditions must be met. An applicant must have their rights restored and be completely finished with their sentence, including any probation or parole. To help you remember this, use the phrase, "no commission," if you're still on a mission. This means if you are still on a mission to complete parole or probation, you cannot get a commission. The exam will test your knowledge of these specific disqualifiers to ensure you understand the high ethical standards required for the office. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.